What is titration? When we find out concentration of unknown sample with the help of known sample is called titration. What we required for titration? We need a conical flask, one pipette and burette. We pipette out 20 ml mohr salt into the conical flask. After that, we will add 10 ml dilute H2SO4 into the mohr salt. One test tube is equal to 10 ml. So we'll add one test tube dilute H2SO4 into the mohr salt. After adding the dilute H2SO4, we will add KMnO4 drop by drop into the mohr salt. We will check the reading when the end point will come. What is end point? In this titration, mohr salt, M/20 mohr salt and KMnO4, lightest pink color, permanent lightest pink color is end point. When the end point will come, we will note the reading. We'll do this experiment continuously 3 times. When the two same reading will come, we'll note the reading for the calculation. So this is the lightest pink color. Thank you so much, pyare bachcho. This is all about titration. If you have any query regarding titration and other practical, please send me a message. This channel is
I'll help you to solve your query. So bachcho, please share, subscribe and like my video. I'll help you whatever query you have. Thank you.